Okay class. Can you pronounce this word?
Squirrel.
One more time.
Squirrel.
Oh my gosh, and oh my gosh. This was hilarious. Anyways, guys, I'm Andre, your English teacher, and today I will tell you about an amazing app that will take your pronunciation to the next level. This app will make you sound like a native speaker. So if you are new, please hit that like and subscribe button and let's do it.
The app is called ELZA Speak. ELZA is an artificial intelligence-powered pronunciation coach that helps you improve your English speaking skill. You'll learn to speak English in short dialogues and get instant feedback on your pronunciation. It's easy to get started. Simply sign up for an account, it's free. Then take the assessment test. When you reach the home screen, tap the Learn Faster button. This is the most accurate and useful test you can take to know if your English pronunciation is good or bad. It takes 10 minutes to complete. You'll be given 13 sentences, tap on the microphone and read the sentences shown on the screen. You can tap record again if you're not satisfied with your recording. After the test, you'll be given a score. This quiz helps ELZA understand what sounds you tend to mispronounce, and by so doing create a personalized lesson plan just for you.
It also has an amazing dictionary that shows you how to pronounce any words or phrases, and community feature that allows you to add your friends and colleagues and compete with a leaderboard.
What are you waiting for?
Yeah, no need to wait. Check the link of ELZA Speak on my bio or download the app from Google or Apple Store. Simply type on your browser ELZA Speak. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for free English lessons.